Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to create a forms on Google. And this is very simple. First of all, we search for form and then we click here on Google Forms, sign in. Now make sure that you sign into your Google account, and then after this you can create a form. Now if you click here on blank form, you can create here a form just from the basics. And right now let's give it a title, just like test 1. A little description: we are testing forms for YouTube, and then the forms building starts. Now if you click just right here, we can change the title. So if we do a question list for people to know their interest about sports, then we call this fill in your name. Then if you fill in the name just right here, maybe let's call it your name. Then we have here the option, and this is the answer option. Now you can do checkboxes, drop down, paragraph, short answer, but for now we want a short answer. And then after this you can decide if this is a required option. So let's say it's required, they need to fill in this question, otherwise they can't continue. Now we want to add another section. Now we click on add section, then we create a question from which sports do you like. Now then what we can do is we can do a short answer, so they can fill in which sports they like. Or if you click here on multiple choice, we can do something like soccer. We have soccer right here at another. Now let's say hockey. Let's say golf. Let's say tennis. Let's say paddle. Now, and right now, if we do also required, we created 2 questions. Now you can go further for how long you want, but after this there is an important thing, because right now if we do publish, now we can manage the links that we send to people. But right now I want to publish this. Then it is published, and then if we click on published, we can click on copy responder link. Now we can make it shorter. It's not necessary now. So if you now click on copy, we open a new tab, Control V, and we search for here. You can see just right here the test 1 that we created, and then you can fill in your name. Now let's say if I fill in only Tommy and I do submit, you see that this is a required question. So that is why we turn on the required option. Alright, this is in a nutshell how you can create a forms. And if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.